Where's the avocado? Show me avocado. Very good. Where's the broccoli? Very good. Where's the...
Miga.
Oh, miga pa ba? Where's the guava? Ay, miga. Okay. Where's the fig? Very good. Where's the elderberry? Very good. Where's the carrots? Hindi ko siya. No. Where's the carrots? Look for the carrots. Very good. Where's the kiwi fruit? Kiwi fruit. Very good. Where's the lettuce? None. Very good. Where's the oats? Where's the oats? None. Very good. Where's the rice? Wow. Where's the potato? Very good. And then that's it. That is?
Ow.
Ano na?
Ow.
Where's the nectarine? Nectarine. Where's the nectarine? Oh, very good. Where's the watermelon? Where's watermelon? None. Very good. Where's yam? Ang yam? None. Very good. Where's the zucchini? Where? Where's the zucchini? Very good. How about the vanilla? Where's the vanilla? Very good. Mushroom pa. Nalipatan ni Mama. Where's the mushroom? Yeah. None. Very good. And where's the ugly fruit? Where's the ugly fruit? Eh, that's potato. Where's the ugly fruit? This one? Ugly fruit. Okay. Very good, Pao Pao. Good job. Okay, that's ugly fruit. Very good. Good job, Pao Pao. Okay. Halfway na si Mama. Bugat si mo.
Okay na?
Yay!
Yay!
Clap, clap,
Clap, clap, clap, clap.
Pao Pao. Malantaw ka pa, kid. Katatlo na ni.